Hello everyone, my name is Ian Gray and I'm the Manager for Powertrain Advanced Engineering for the new Land Rover Defender. I'm here to tell you all about the latest powertrain news from our toughest and most capable 4x4. When we launched new Defender at the Frankfurt Motor Show last year, we announced a choice of powerful and efficient petrol and diesel engines. Now, approaching a year later, and with new Defender 90 and 110 body styles both in production, it's time to talk to you about some exciting new additions to the powertrain story. For 21 model year, the new Defender truly does provide a powertrain to suit every need. Back in Frankfurt last year, we confirmed that a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle was very much part of the Defender plan, and today I can tell you more about the most efficient Defender Land Rover has ever produced. You're all familiar with the technology in our P400e, but I'll be able to tell you about its application in new Defender and how it provides customary Defender capability and the ability to complete short journeys in zero emissions EV mode. I can also tell you about how we have applied our state-of-the-art inline 6-cylinder Ingenium diesel engine to Defender. We recently revealed details of our straight 6 diesel family in the Range Rover Sport and Range Rover models. Now, new Defender customers will get to feel the benefits of our advanced diesel. And of course, I'll recap the Ingenium petrol options available to complete the picture. The biggest news today, though, is the introduction of our P400e plug-in hybrid, which is now available to order on Defender 110 models. The strong and durable D7X architecture was designed to support our PHEV technology from the very beginning, and its arrival makes the prospect of silent, zero-emissions journey a reality. In EV mode, new Defender can drive up to 27 miles using solely electric power, and the clever technology provides overall CO2 emissions of 74 grams per kilometre and fuel consumption of 85.3 miles per gallon, or just 3.3 litres per 100 kilometres. How does the system work? Well, up front, there's a lightweight 2-litre, 4-cylinder Ingenium petrol engine which produces 300 PS. Combined with a 105 kilowatt electric motor, it produces a total maximum combined power output of 404 PS and peak torque of 640 Newton meters. It's worth noting here, because the motor provides the maximum torque from 0 RPM, it makes it perfect for supporting low-speed manoeuvres on and off-road. The motor is powered by a 19.2 kilowatt-hour prismatic cell lithium-ion battery mounted beneath the boot floor of the 110. For this reason, the Defender 110 P400e is only available in 5 or 6 seat configurations. To keep the battery charged up, the onboard 7 kilowatt charger is fed from the plug-in point, which is located on the opposite side of the vehicle to the conventional fuel filler. During driving or under braking, the hybrid powertrain can also recover electrical energy from the electric motor and recharge the battery. All of this technology works seamlessly and delivers customary Land Rover all-terrain capability. On road, the Defender can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.4 seconds. Off-road, it delivers the unstoppable, go-anywhere performance that's already a hallmark of new Defender. When it comes to charging, there are, as you'd imagine, plenty of options. Using the standard Mode 3 cable and a 7 kilowatt public or domestic wall box, the 19.2 kilowatt-hour battery can be charged to 80% in as little as 2 hours. If you don't have access to a wall box, an 80% charge using a standard 3-pin socket and Mode 2 cable takes 7 hours. And finally, using a DC rapid charger will get you to 80% in just 30 minutes. So customers can easily make the best use of its all-electric capability with even the shortest time available between top-ups. Lights alongside the plug-in point on the vehicle give customers a quick visual status check on charging, and if you can't see the vehicle, our remote app technology allows customers to keep tabs on new Defender wherever they are. It allows you to check the charging status, the level of remaining charge, and how far that will get you. You can also lock and unlock the vehicle and precondition the cabin temperature ahead of journeys in hot or cold weather to make sure new Defender is the perfect temperature at the start of every trip. The good news about this technology is that when plugged in, the preconditioning uses the energy supply rather than the battery, so you begin your journey at the perfect temperature without compromising your EV driving range. Once you're on the move, drivers can choose how to deploy the electric energy stored in the battery with 3 different modes. Hybrid mode is the default driving mode and combines electric and petrol power for optimum efficiency on any journey. This can be combined with a predictive energy optimization feature, which uses navigation information to help choose the most efficient route and then automatically selects the most efficient powertrain mix during your journey. Save mode maintains the battery charge level so the driver can choose to use it at a specific point on the journey, for instance, when driving into urban areas. And the big benefit of PHEV technology is the ability to undertake shorter journeys using solely electric power. In EV mode, new Defender can drive up to 43 kilometers or 27 miles using silent, zero emissions electric power at speeds up to 85 miles per hour. The great news for customers is that none of this compromises new Defender's unstoppable off-road credentials. The hybrid can wade to depths of 900 millimeters, just like the rest of the lineup, and can tow up to 3,000 kilograms. New Defender P400e can also be driven in low-range gears in full EV mode, making full use of the instant torque provided by the electric motor. As a result, it's one of the few 4x4s capable of low-range, zero-emissions driving. On-road, the new P400e accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 5.6 seconds, or 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.4 seconds, making it the fastest accelerating Defender in the range. The new P400e isn't the only powertrain I'm here to talk about, because new Defender also benefits from our latest 3-litre straight-six diesels. The RDE2 certified Euro 6D final compliant engines meet the most stringent global emission standards and feature state-of-the-art mild hybrid electric vehicle or MHEV technology to enhance refinement, efficiency and response. Our MHEV system harvests energy usually lost when slowing down and stores it in a 48-volt battery under the rear floor of the vehicle. This energy is then redeployed to provide torque assistance during stop-start driving or under acceleration, providing smoother, cleaner and more economical driving. Our MHEV system is just one of the technological enablers here. In common with our other Ingenium petrol and diesel engines, the new 6-cylinder diesel feature a raft of innovations to improve efficiency. Lightweight aluminium construction reduces weight, while a pair of close-coupled, series sequentially arranged turbos maximize the heat delivered to the aftertreatment to reduce warm-up times, optimizing efficiency. Variable nozzle turbo technology means the engines can deliver 90% of peak torque in just over a second at 2000 RPM. The fuel system has also been optimized. It operates at up to 2,500 bar and delivers up to 5 injections per cycle, with quantities as small as 0.8 milligrams delivered in 12 microseconds. And to put that in perspective, a human eye takes 350,000 microseconds to blink. The straight-six diesel also share the low-friction design of our other Ingenium engines and include state-of-the-art steel pistons, which also contribute to efficiency. Customers can choose between a D200, D250 and D300 version of the new engine, and all 3 have been designed, developed and engineered in the UK and will be exclusively produced at our engine manufacturing centre in Wolverhampton. The D200 develops an impressive 500 Newton meters of torque and produces CO2 emissions as low as 226 grams per kilometre for the 90, while the D300 develops 650 Newton meters of torque and powers the Defender from 0 to 100 kph in 6.7 seconds. All of the new inline 6-cylinder diesels are partnered with our new intelligent driveline, which continually varies axle torque based on sensor data from the vehicle surroundings and from driver inputs. It distributes engine torque between the axles as required, optimizing the driveline for traction, on-road dynamics and driveline efficiency, resulting in enhanced fuel economy and reduced CO2 emissions, all without sacrificing any of the Defender's inherent off-road capability. Now, I've spoken about bringing our hybrid P400e powertrain to Defender for the first time, and I've told you how our latest generations of inline six-cylinder Ingenium diesels bring new levels of performance, efficiency and refinement to our toughest model, but they're not the only options available. Customers can still choose from a pair of efficient Ingenium petrol engines. The P300 four-cylinder and P400 six-cylinder MHEV engines combine refined performance and efficiency to deliver trademark Defender capability across all terrains. So, there you have it. New Defender is available with a powertrain to suit every requirement. Our P400e hybrid brings the prospect of silent, zero-emission driving to Defender for the first time, and our advanced new six-cylinder diesels provide more choice and efficiency than before, whilst meeting the world's toughest emission standards. They help to cement the Defender's status as an unstoppable 4x4 and deliver the toughness and capability associated with Defender. These vehicles are available to order now. Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, my name is Matt Turner. I'm the Senior Engineering Manager for the Land Rover Defender at Special Vehicle Operations, and I've been responsible for making sure the latest addition to the Land Rover lineup lives up to its billing as the most capable and durable commercial vehicle we've ever produced. As you all appreciate, Defender isn't a single vehicle. It's an entire family of models that each has their own identity. A commercial derivative has been part of the plan from day one, and we took the opportunity to showcase what this would look like at the world premiere of new Defender at the Frankfurt Motor Show last year, alongside the 90 and 110 body designs. In June this year, we confirmed our hardest working model would revive a name that has been synonymous with getting the job done for the last 70 years. Hardtop. Today, I will be telling you all about the toughest, most durable and most capable Defender we've ever made. Before I go into detail, it's important to understand the history of the name, a name that can trace its origins back to the first series Land Rovers in 1950, when the original Land Rover was available with a removable hardtop. While the new model is vastly different in its design, technology and powertrain, it shares the tough, no-nonsense characteristics that have always defined Land Rover commercial vehicles. For more than 70 years, the Defender has been known as the world's toughest and most capable off-road vehicle, and the hardtop represents everything a Defender should be: tough, fit for purpose, and utterly unstoppable off-road. It has been engineered by our experts at Special Vehicle Operations to optimise its load space. As a result, the hardtop is the most practical member of the Defender family, with a durable load area and the same unrivaled off-road capability and the long-haul comfort of the passenger model. In short, it's everything a commercial 4x4 buyer could possibly want. New Defender hardtop is available in 90 and 110 body designs, giving buyers a choice of sizes that best suit their needs. Whichever you choose, unstoppable capability comes as standard. Toughness runs through the veins of every Defender model in the family, and the hardtop is no different. From the beginning, the hardtop has been designed to be perfectly fit for purpose, with a suite of features conceived to meet the requirements of the commercial customers the world over. From business professionals making site visits to hardcore adventurers to remote locations. As well as the two body designs, customers can choose from a range of powerful and efficient Ingenium diesel engines, including 6-cylinder versions featuring mild hybrid technology to boost responses and fuel economy. Before we get into the detail, let's have a quick look around the exterior design of the Defender hardtop. Instantly recognisable as a member of the Defender family, the hardtop has received some subtle changes to ensure it's fit for purpose. The most recognisable difference is the new exterior signage panel, located on the rearmost side window of both 90 and 110 hardtops. It enables businesses to personalise their Defenders with bespoke signage. It's also a significant point of difference between the Defender hardtop and the Discovery commercial, which has been conceived as a discrete working vehicle. And while hardtop customers benefit from a range of attractive alloy wheel designs and exterior colours, including contrasting roof options, it is also available with these attractive steel wheels, which are both a nod to the model's heritage but also a functional design element. Despite these changes, the hardtop retained the unmistakable silhouette and distinctive outline that has defined working Land Rovers for more than 7 decades. The rear-mounted spare wheel also ensures you can always access the spare tyre, regardless of where you are or what you are carrying. Defender hardtop's rugged and utilitarian nature extends to the passenger compartment, where you'll find a perfect combination of rugged usability, a flexible workspace and the latest connected technologies. Starting with the functional features, all hardtops feature a fixed bulkhead to safely and securely separate the passenger compartment from the load area. In the passenger compartment of 110 models, there are handy stowage nets attached to the bulkhead for odds and ends. And the durable rubber flooring and floor mats are easy to clean after mucky site visits. Defender's optional folding centre jump seat is also available, meaning there's space for 3 to travel in the front. Rear visibility isn't an issue for hardtop drivers thanks to Land Rover's ClearSight rear view technology, which uses a rear-facing camera to project a wide-angle feed directly onto the interior mirror. As a result, it doesn't matter who or what is blocking your view inside the vehicle because, at the flick of a switch, you can get an uninterrupted view of the rear. As you can see, the optional jump seat folds neatly forwards to reveal a pair of cup holders and an armrest when not in use. From a technology perspective, Defender hardtop features a suite of connectivity functions enabled by the Land Rover's new Pivi Pro infotainment system. The clear graphics and simplified menu structure make it intuitive to use and brings new levels of connectivity. Now we get to the business end of Defender hardtop, starting with its load carrying capabilities. As you can see from the image here, the 110 hardtop is capable of carrying one standard Euro pallet in its cargo area, which is accessed easily by the side hinged rear door, a hallmark of the Defender family. A maximum of 800 kilograms payload can be carried by the 110 hardtop, depending on the specification pack fitted, while the shorter wheelbase 90 hardtop can carry up to 670 kilograms of payload. So whichever Defender hardtop you choose, heavy or bulky objects can be carried with ease. Unsurprisingly, the rear of the vehicle has undergone the biggest changes in the switch from passenger to commercial vehicle. But as I said at the start, the Defender hardtop was planned from the start, so the result is a well thought out load space with numerous clever touches. Improved lighting throughout the load space ensures it's easy to use even at night. In fact, the lighting is 5 times brighter than in passenger models. Then there's the fixed bulkhead. On this side of the partition, you'll find 4 stowage pegs to boost practicality, while the mesh grille ensures visibility out of the rear of the vehicle is maintained. The load area is completely flat with a rubber floor throughout, meaning it's as tough and durable as possible and resistant to whatever is thrown at it, be it heavy, awkward items, spilled fluids, or muddy equipment. Up to 6 conveniently located lashing points add to the hardtop's versatility by ensuring any kind of load can be securely tied down. All hardtop models also feature an underfloor 58-litre storage area towards the rear of the vehicle, giving customers a safe, lockable area out of view for smaller, more valuable items. But there's more. The extra length offered by the 110 hardtop means there's more opportunity for clever storage solutions, making full use of the space on offer. Located in what would be the rear footwells of the Defender 110, additional underfloor lockers offer an extra 155 litres of space, accessed via both side doors or a lift-up door on top. Like the 58-litre underfloor storage at the rear of the vehicle, this is lockable, so it's entirely secure for items that might want to be hidden away from prying eyes. Its unique shape also means long, thin items will fit, freeing up even more space in the main load area. Now we've looked at the practical touches found in the Defender hardtop's load space, but how big is it? Starting with the maximum load height, the hardtop offers up to 947 millimetres of space on the inside. In terms of the load floor width, the 90 hardtop offers a maximum of 1,326 millimetres, while the 110 hardtop provides slightly more, at 1,423 millimetres. This is down to the slimline door cards fitted to the 5-door body, which have been specifically shaped to optimise cargo space. Finally, the maximum load floor length of the 90 hardtop measures 1,031 millimetres, while the 110 hardtop offers 1,472 millimetres from the rear of the vehicle to the bulkhead. To power a hard-working vehicle like the Defender hardtop, equally muscular engines are required. Thankfully, Land Rover's new range of powerful and efficient inline 6-cylinder Ingenium diesel engines with mild hybrid or MHEV technology is available, all of which are EU6D final compliant and equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission and intelligent all-wheel drive. These new engines feature the latest low-friction technology to ensure they're as smooth and refined as possible, while MHEV technology on all 6-cylinder diesels contributes to faster responses and greater fuel economy than older diesel powertrains. It does this by storing recuperated energy that's normally lost under braking and deceleration in a 48-volt lithium-ion battery that can be redeployed later on for faster, smoother acceleration. It also enables faster engine stop-start functions. The 90 hardtop comes exclusively with the D200 version of this powertrain, delivering 200 PS and a generous 500 Newton meters of torque that finally blends strength and efficiency. Defender 110 hardtop customers have a choice of 2 Ingenium options, the D250 and D300. The 250 PS diesel produces 570 Newton meters of torque, while the most powerful 300 PS unit delivers 650 Newton meters of torque and accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 7 seconds. In certain EU5 markets, inline 4-cylinder Ingenium engines are offered, D200 for the Defender 90 and D240 for the Defender 110. The latest Ingenium diesel engines are perfectly suited to the new Defender hardtop, which delivers unstoppable off-road capability thanks to a range of advanced features, including Land Rover's new intelligent all-wheel drive system fitted to all models powered by the latest 6-cylinder diesel engines. The advanced system intelligently distributes torque to where it's needed most, ensuring the superior on-road dynamics and efficiency without sacrificing any of the Defender's peerless off-road capability. Off-road driving aids include Land Rover's Terrain Response 2, which offers a fully customisable off-road experience to ensure drivers get where they need to be in the correct mode for the conditions. Coupled with the Defender's class-leading off-road geometry with up to 38, 28 and 40-degree approach, breakover and departure angles respectively, it's a peerless commercial vehicle away from the tarmac. All Defender hardtops are equipped with durable passive coil suspension as standard, while 110 hardtop models can also be equipped with optional electronic air suspension, enabling a maximum wading depth of 900 mm, while all versions have a maximum rated towing capacity of 3,500 kilograms. These attributes cement new Defender hardtop status as the toughest and most capable commercial Land Rover ever produced. As I alluded to earlier, the Defender hardtop's interior benefits from Land Rover's latest technology and connectivity capabilities. It all centres around the new Pivi Pro touchscreen infotainment system with a rapid operating system that's ready to operate as soon as you're in the car. For busy owners, saving time is essential. So the ability to get going as soon as possible is key, and the number of times you need to actually tap the screen to perform certain functions is reduced by an average of 50% compared with older systems. Ensuring it stays up to date and continues running as fast as possible, the system is updated automatically over the air with no interruption to operation or the need to take the vehicle in for it to be done manually. For added security, customers can take advantage of a remote smartphone app to check on the status of their Defender hardtop, from making sure it's locked or checking the fuel level to seeing where it's located at the touch of a button anywhere in the world. Finally, as I mentioned earlier, the images for the Defender hardtop's advanced 3D surround camera system are displayed on the Pivi Pro screen, giving drivers a range of views in which to see the vehicle, a particularly useful feature in tough off-road conditions or in tight manoeuvres. The Defender hardtop is prepared for any eventuality. That brings us to the end of this presentation, but before we wrap up, let's just take a final look at the key features of the toughest and most durable model in the lineup. New hardtop is available in both 90 and 110 body designs, complete with an immensely practical load space with secure, lockable storage and tough materials that will withstand the most demanding use. It's powered by Land Rover's latest straight-six Ingenium diesel engines, all delivering superior torque and efficiency, and comes equipped with all the latest connected features courtesy of our new Pivi Pro infotainment system. Customers of the Defender 110 hardtop also benefit from a choice of S, SE and HSE specification packs and a range of individual options, including electronic air suspension, while both 90 and 110 hardtops feature an exterior signage panel to make the vehicle truly personal. All that's left for me to say is that Defender hardtop is on sale and available to order now. Thank you for listening.